I'm a senior at Salem County Votech, and I'm in construction technology. Always what me and my friends want to do is we just want to work. We just want to make some money. So we get to leave school early every day and get that opportunity to come out and work.
It's very valuable because they have an opportunity to actually see how the workforce works. They can go and take college classes we offer here and then go out on work release. So there's a variety of opportunities for them that they may not get to see in a regular high school.
I'm the owner of J&S Fencing. We were fortunate with Chase coming on board and the talent and the skill set that he had.
Jack has actually helped me a lot, teaching me how to write bids and pricing jobs out, what we need for materials. So I've actually learned everything I've known about fencing from them, all the small things, all the big things. It's been great.
They're the types of things we're working to teach Chase now so that he has that experience and that understanding without spending all that money through college.
I think it's a good opportunity for any student who's not sure what they really want to do, whether they want to go to college or whether they want to stay at the family farm, for them to expand, all right, and get the opportunities to see what the life is going to be like after graduation.
Just watching his skill set and what he was able to do and his personality and his politeness, we could continue to grow with the different qualities that the next generation or the next classes have.
Knowing the homeowner and what they prefer and what they don't like, how to talk to them, how to treat them. And also with your coworkers, you have to know how to treat them with respect. I've always been respectful, but throughout the days and weeks and everything being at the job, I've learned a lot of professionalism with the homeowners, and it's helped me out a lot. I wouldn't have gotten that elsewhere.
When we found out that this could be available, and my wife and I jumped all over it to see what we could do to be a part of the program, but also to work with Chase, who definitely adds value to the company a lot.
Because of what I've been offered at Salem County Votech, I know that I have a job after high school.
Chase is now the foreman over our landscaping division. He manages 3 people, and currently he's doing 13 corporate sites and 3 residential sites with a lot of extras going on, different mulching, spring cleanups.
I'm considered like full-time, 7-8 hours a day. I'm making great money and I'm always at work. It's just nice, and then I know it's going to keep going in the future.